everyone. It's me, Hainz'el, and welcome back to your web development training here inside Go High Level. Now, what I'm going to teach you is not just about Go High Level, but it applies to all websites that you're going to create or funnels that you're going to create. Now, there are two types of SEO, and that's what we're going to discuss right now. So, the on page SEO is what you basically put into the website. You basically label everything inside the website so that Google can actually find you much better. And remember the photo that I renamed earlier? The reason why I did that because of the on page SEO and whatever you put in, just like the photos and stuff like that, it's the one appearing in Google. And that's why if you have like a certain photo and you search for it in Google, it pops out in the Google image. That's because you have a photo placed in the website that's basically tagged the way it is. Okay, so of course, it's not just photo. I showed you how the photo is done, but the actual on page SEO, the actual page itself. So if you notice, not okay, I think the best way to actually I'll do this is like in Google, let's say, okay, so I will type in the best spa in Manila. Okay, as you can see at the top of the list would be the Trip Advisor and sorry, the I'm Onsen Spa. These are basically websites, okay? These are basically websites that are using ads at the moment. So at the top, usually you see the um, CPC, like click. I'm sorry, it's at the back of my tongue. Oh, sorry, pay per click. CPC. What I? Oh my god, pay per click. So I'm talking about pay per click. Okay. So these are companies that are on ads and they're basically running a pay per click ad, and that's the reason why they're at the top. Now, I just wanna be clear. In United States, in other countries, they would usually have an option at the top, and you wouldn't be able to see that here in the Philippines because we don't have local service ads. Okay, so if you're from United States and you actually see something at the top, that's because you guys have local service ads in your country and we don't have it here in the Philippines. So if I want to have like a local service ads at the top, I have to use a VPN and then type in something from like Texas or Oklahoma or Michigan or something like that. Okay, so since we don't have local service ads or LSA, what you usually see at the top is or would be businesses that are running pay per click ads. Okay, and that's the reason why they're at the top because they're running an ad. Okay, and um, basically people that are looking for services will usually go here. Okay. All right. Now, when I scroll down, you will see this, and this is something very, very, I would say, useful to businesses and people as well. And basically, if they don't like what they see at the top, of course, they will search whatever is on here. And basically, this is what we call Google Business Profile or Google My Business. So, in other countries, they would really pay a lot of attention and they would spend a lot of budget just to be able to be on the top three list within their area. Okay, Now, when I search for the best spa in Manila, that's the keyword I used. Basically, the well-being nature spa massage Pacati, K1 Wellness Beauty Spa, and I'm Onsen Spa are the top of the list. Okay, and people would usually click this first if they don't like whatever is on here. Then that's the only time that they would look for other businesses, and of course, by that means um, they're like the second choice, second, third, fourth choice, which is not really good, but yeah, I'm just saying. Okay, now, all right, now, okay, there's like, I think there's a business that suddenly boosted an ad. Okay, now, if you can see Bloom MD Wellness and Beauty, IV Drips Aesthetics, this business probably just launched their ad, or they, because ads can be scheduled as well, and probably they scheduled theirs to be online on a specific 11:15 a.m. So yeah, this is a good thing. You can actually boost your Google business profile in here as well, so that's the reason why it would appear sponsored and then at the top. Okay. All right. Now, if you go down, this is what we call SEO, and naturally, are um, this these are actually the businesses, or these are actually the topics that you would see regarding that business posted in different platforms. Like it was posted in um, City of Dreams Manila. It was posted in Breeze Massage PH. So basically, this spas were posted in a specific platform, like in Reddit, TripAdvisor, um, in the you know Admiral Hotel Manila forum or page or something like that. So basically, businesses that are on ads, they're actually boosting their online presence, like at the moment. Okay, but anything regarding SEO or social engine optimization, unless you are, I would say, viral, this actually takes years. You would probably like feel SEO um in about 3 to, honestly, they would say 6 months if you're working on it consistently. But honestly, SEO would really take around, I would say the safest is 3 years to 6 years before you can feel the power of it. Like, because this one is like for free. This one is free as well, like the Google Business Profile, unless you sponsored it or you made it an ad. But this one at the top is actually all paid. All right, so this are free unless you pay somebody um, to actually do it for you. That's not actually technically free, but with Google, you don't need to pay anything for the SEO. And that's why if you have like a longer, I would say, longer goal for your business, you should also pay attention with your SEO, not only your ads. Ads bring you client at the moment. SEO will bring you client for your business's future. So, okay. So these factors, like for example, they're talking about the newest spa in the City of Dreams, Manila. I think this is a spa inside City of Dreams, and they're basically promoting it. So I would say this is like an SEO for the newest spa, because another business is posting them. And also that's the same thing for Reddit. For example, someone is asking for rate spas around Makati, and then whatever is on the list, then basically that actually means that it's promoting the spas, right? So yeah, I hope that's like offline SEO. That's how backlinking works. Like you're not only being tagged, but your business name is also getting mentioned in different platforms. Not only your platform, not only with your page. So that's the goal of other businesses, right? They want to be posted, they want to be known, not not by their own marketing, but with the word of mouth from other people recommending them, something like that. Okay, now we're gonna go back. So here at the top, remember when we were adding elements, we were doing it layers, pages. If I want to add pages, um, well, actually no, sorry. This is if I want to see pages. So this one and this one is just the same. Okay, tracking code for Google Analytics, custom CSS for coding. If you want to code something, okay, typography for the what do you call this font, like the headline font, like the overall font for everything. Okay, and then the background color, the background design. Like if you want to put a background, I don't want that. Just to be honest, the pop up settings. Sometimes people would like a pop up. Like for example, instead of having a form in here, there's like a button and then a pop up will appear. But sometimes people want the actual form in here, so it depends on your preference. Okay, now cookie content. Okay, anyway, so right now we haven't set up. Okay, if you take a look at this SEO metadata, so this one is pretty much empty just yet. So the best way for us to like um uh put something in here is to basically use AI to generate the right information for you. So, okay, I will use, um, I have selected Sacred Grant and I want to have a good, I want to have the best on page SEO headline. So, okay, hold on. Headline and what's it called? Headline. A title. Okay, title and description. Okay, so as you can see for the title, it always has the business name and then in home energy healing, but I don't think in home is widely used. Sometimes AI is like that. So I would just usually change this to home service. Okay, energy healing massage. Okay. And then mobile massage therapy in your home. I honestly don't like it. I like this. Let's see if AI can reward. I like this one, so subscription. Okay. So as you can see, it's 150 to 160. Then book your personalized massage today. That's how we want to use.
Kasama sa school, Mami. Mami, wala ako kasama sa school. Saka nagtakbo ako may hulog.
Well, you have a lot of stars. Okay.
Yeah.
So for the keywords, okay, it's important to put in home service, spa, home service, Pasig, home service, spa, home service,
Hugot ba nito?
massage, Pasig,
Ah!
home service, massage, Marikina, home service, massage, Kainta.
Mami.
So you might want to put in all the possible keyword that you can use for a specific search. So I know that's gonna be a lot. So okay. So hold on. I'm gonna update that for now and then change this. Okay. So I'm gonna put in use the give me the best SEO keyword for this. So this is the best SEO use comma. So that's how lazy I am in most times. Okay. So
Wah!
okay. Now we have that author page, author name, sacred currents by let's say by my name. I don't know. whatever whatever you want to put it. You can leave the author as it is. Now for the social image, it's basically best if you have like an image that already has like your contact information, like the business name, the contact information, so that when you share it in social media, that image will automatically pops up. And um, hold on. And it would be easier for people to actually share your page, and just by the image they can already see your contact information. Like the image should say it all, so it should like have the business name, the contact information, the scope of area where you service, since this is a mobile spa, and that's it. Okay, don't make it complicated, just that's it. In just one look they will already know what kind of service do you offer. Like if you have like a basic price, like a promo or something, you can also put it there, but just don't put in too much text in the actual image. So that's what we're gonna create in the next video and put it here. Okay, it's important, right? It's important for you to have a social image right there. Okay, so since this is a new page, totally new, we don't have anything yet, so just leave everything as it is. Okay. So, yeah, that's about it for the on-page SEO. This can still be improved, I think, but I'm not gonna tap and change anything to that for now. Use AI. Basically, it has rules like Just follow it. For the title, it should be 60 characters, I think. It basically told you how many characters it is. All right, sorry. So it's 50 to 60 characters for the title, 150 to 160 characters for the description. And always make sure that you have like a book now or a CTA, and basically what you want to tell your clients in the description. Make sure you have it on there to give your page a power. So everything is unfolding, slowly, but I hope this video can help you determine what are the best things that you need to put into your site and understand what is the Google and the Google pages for. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Hope you learned a lot.